how do you define a high quality lead? That's what I've been asking my real estate agent friends and insurance agent friends, and all of them struggle to give me an answer. So I decided to come up with the answer for them. So let me ask you the same question. How do you define a high quality lead? So how I define as a high quality lead is, number one, they must have money. As you can see the axis on top over here, they must have money. And why? Because as much as you want to help them, if they don't have money, then you cannot help them with financial planning, or you cannot help them to buy or sell their house. So the first definition of a high quality lead is that they must have money, or access to money if they don't have money on their own. Number two, the second definition or the second criteria of a high quality lead is that they must have intent. As you can see, intent means they must be looking for a solution, they must have a problem, they must have a pain point, and they must be interested or thinking about the solution that you provide. So if they have got no money, and if they have got no intent, that is what we call a LQL, as you can see on the bottom left hand corner over here. A LQL is a low quality lead, a lead which does not have so much money and does not have any interest or intent. That's what we call a low quality lead. Makes sense, right? Then we move on to MQL. What is MQL? There are two types of MQL. Number one, if they do not have intent, means they are not so interested right now, maybe because they are not educated enough, but they have got access to lots of money, or they have got money in their pocket, or they got money in the bank. That means they are a MQL, they are a medium qualified lead, because if they have got money, means they have got a buying power. But if they don't have intent, means they are not educated enough. So it's your job to educate them, your job is to make them interested, your job is to get them in an appointment and make them realize the need for your product or your service that you have. So that's what we call a MQL. Got money but less intent at the top left hand corner. What if the other way around, where they don't have money right now, or they don't have access to money right now, however they have got lots of intent, they have got lots of interest, they are researching like crazy about your product, the intent is really there. That means they are also a MQL, because just because they don't have money doesn't mean their wife doesn't have money, doesn't mean their parents don't have money, doesn't mean their grandparents don't have money, or doesn't mean that they cannot get access to money in order to solve the problem. So because we all know that if we can find a solution for what we are looking for, we will find ways to get money. So that's also a MQL, as you can see over here. In an ideal situation, what we would like to have, and what I like to get for all of my clients, is what I call a HQL. What's a HQL? They have got money, or they have got access to money, and number two, they have got lots of intent as well. That's what we call a HQL. And the kind of targeting that we do using AI marketing, right, make sure that all the leads that come in, to the best of our ability, they are HQL. And if they are not HQL, at least they are either the MQL over here. They've got medium quality leads. The worst thing that we do, what I can tell you, is we do not get for you LQL. When you do road shows, cold calling, door knocking, canvassing, then you end up having LQL, because you don't know whether people got money or whether they've got intent. But when we do AI marketing for you, we'll make sure that we get you HQL. If not, worst case scenario, we get you MQL. So if this was helpful to you, let me know, and I'll catch up with you real soon. Cheers, take care, and bye-bye.